Good afternoon to all my awesome friends and family. It is Tablescape time, and it's Tablescape for two. I wanted to share with you what you can do with just changing a few items out and making something look totally different. I did add new plates on top of the charger in the bowl, and didn't it look beautiful? And of course I reused my beautiful glassware. But the new thing that I really wanted to share with you is this cup topper that my daughter made. Doesn't it look beautiful with that whipped topping and all the candy and all the beautiful snowflakes scattered all about? Oh my gosh, she did such a wonderful, wonderful job putting it together. And did you notice that the straws themselves have snowflakes on them too? And then of course the Christmas tree sprinkled with snow and the Christmas ball. Oh, she did such a wonderful, wonderful job with what she did. She is getting so good at doing these DIY projects. I'm so glad you guys came over. I hope you let me know what you thought about her topper. Don't forget to let her know in the comments section. Here's the back side of that topper. As you can see, the little tree you can see a little better, and of course the straws. But I couldn't believe how beautiful everything looked that she did. Perfectly fit that cup. Now, let's go look at all of Grandma's little miniatures. Everybody knows Grandma loves miniatures. I have a very large collection of miniatures. And this is the beautiful Christmas tree that I bought off Annalie that she decorated with all these wonderful gingerbread cookies. Now, I knew my daughter was going to decorate those toppers with gingerbread, so I thought, oh, that tree will be perfect to put with it. So, as I always do, I bought it for I could share with you how beautiful everything works together. And then of course I have all these beautiful little miniatures already. Miniature drums, bicycle, rocking horse, and of course that beautiful basket for Christmas and the little Christmas cake with Santa Claus on it. Oh my gosh, I couldn't wait to share with you all the pretty things I had. Please let me know which was your favorite miniature item that I shared today. And of course, I had all my miniature little presents also. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for stopping by. Thank you for all your support and love. Please let us know what was your favorite thing that we shared today on this Tablescape for two for Christmas. Now, you could easily make this tablescape for 4, 6, or 8, and not to do anything but make the table longer and add some extra place settings. Everything was so well put together. And of course, don't forget my pine cone roses that were real. I thought they were gorgeous too. Well, thank you so much for all your love and support. I can't tell you how much it means to me. If you're not already following, please click that like button. And if you would like, please join the family. We're always looking for new family members, and this channel, as always, has lots of different beautiful displays to share with you all the time. You're never going to be bored on this channel. We never know what you're going to find. A little of this, a little of that. Now look at all the beautiful candlelight and all the lights on the table. Doesn't it add a lot more to the table having candlelight? I think that is one thing that we really do need more of in life. A little bit more of simple romantic things, just to sit down, have a nice glass of wine. Not that I drink wine, but if you did, I would probably be putting Kool-Aid or punch in those glasses, for I would have some color. But whatever you want to drink would be fine. And here it is, all ready for night. So beautifully lit from candlelight. Let me know what you thought, my dear friends. Always enjoy hearing from my awesome friends. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie to all of my awesome friends and all the love and support that you guys always give this channel. I really appreciate all your comments and all your support. Thank you so much to all of you from me and my daughter. Hope you all have a Merry, Merry Christmas this year. And please, I love you all. Please take care. And we'll always have something new and different almost every day. So try to come back and see what new different things we're going to share tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hugs and kisses from us. See you then.